Back to school mornings can be hectic, and no matter how much time you spend preparing the night before, it seems like there's never enough time in the morning to get everything you need done. While getting the kids off to school with their backpacks and lunch boxes is certainly the priority, there's something to be said for saving a couple minutes of you time in the morning to put on a little bit of makeup so you feel ready to take on the day. Thanks to my partner at Healthy Essentials, I've come up with a few simple solutions to make busy mornings a little easier. I'm sharing a quick and simple makeup routine for a fresh-faced look that only takes a few minutes using items you can grab at the drugstore. If you're going to spend time doing your makeup, make sure you use that time effectively. Whether you have 3 minutes or 30 minutes, the order in which you apply the products really makes a big difference. So my first tip is to tell you to apply your skincare first, then move on to your eye area, finally returning to finish your face. The reason I do that is that it gives my skincare a minute to kind of soak into my skin. So I'm using the Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. This has SPF in it as well, so it's a great daily moisturizer. You can use your eyebrow pencil as eyeliner if you are in a huge rush and just use your finger to smudge it out. I'm using the Neutrogena Nourishing Brow Pencil because it helps define my brows and can create a nice natural looking shadow around the eye area that isn't a hard line of eyeliner. It's quick and easy. So after my moisturizer's been sitting a little bit on my skin, I'll move on to foundation. Today I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint because it helps create a natural, fresh look and offers a little extra moisture for my skin as well. Another busy morning tip is to use your lipstick as blush to make sure you aren't mixing contrasting tones on your face. Not only is it quick and simple, but it also makes it easy to touch up later in the day because you only need one product you can throw in your bag. I like Neutrogena's Moisture Smooth Color Stick because it keeps my lips moisturized and it's soft enough to apply to my cheeks thanks to the balm-like formula. So I hope these tips help you on a hectic morning so you feel ready to take on the day.